Guys, on this video I will explain a very detailed and very effective strategy in trapping the winning combination. Now, as we all know, the 3-digit lottery only revolve in this 120 combination. From 1s to 0, that is 10 numbers. On this strategy, I will be using my formula that I have developed, and that is the skip strategy. You can see the link below to the video on how the skip strategy works. Now, after you identify the number to spot, this is the number that is due next to be drawn successively. This is what we are hunting for. The number to spot. Here, my identified number to spot is the number 9. A sure ball number that we can pair to our number that has the highest skip, and that is the number to pair. Numbers that are very targeted to be drawn in the next draw. So now, how we achieve a non-stop winning and trapping the winning numbers will come onto place and your bets. Okay. By using the number to spot and the number to pair on day 1, you will only use a 3 number, that is 980. Now, if you lose on day 1, you will proceed on day 2. 980 and 1. 980 and 1 now occupied 4 numbers. And it will generate a 4 combination. Now you can maintain this for 2 days. Okay? Now, if you fail on day 2, you can proceed on 98012, and that is day 3. You will use a 10 combination and 5 numbers. It will generate a 10 combination. Now, on day 3, your combination are more powerful and more, you occupied more numbers. Okay? You will drop the winning numbers. It will be drawn maybe on day 2 or day 3 if you fail on day 1. Now, for the last day, and that is day 4, you will occupy a 6 number, that is numbers, 20 numbers and 20 combination. Now, imagine on day 4, you will occupy 6 numbers and generate a 20 combination. Now, using this strategy, you will not lose. You will use the martingale technique. Day 1, on day 2, on day 3, on day 4. Now, the important key here is to maintain a combination. When a winning number is drawn, it will be trapped on your generated combination. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.